Yeah, guys, let's talk about BURENCY, so buy token. This one is pretty interesting. I was looking at it yesterday, but I didn't really consider getting into it. However, through the technical analysis, it's always interesting to see what's going on. So you can see something that's particular with Ichimoku Cloud that normally doesn't happen is to cross on a daily, at least, or weekly, a large candle with our lagging span, and we clearly see it went through it. So it does happen sometime, even if we had some resistances here, but this is due to always some big massive pump and dump. Otherwise it doesn't happen. So a big impulsion somewhere going on Bitcoin or directly on this token. So that's a bit concerning because through this, in our technical analysis, a lagging that is going to cross over very large candles, it's always an important area because it creates some resistance, and so we can expect a certain movement of our token, which would have been wrong in this case. So we can anyway look at other elements of our Ichimoku Cloud. We got 5 elements, so just the lagging is not enough anyway. So whatever. Now what we can expect. If we're going to go on a run again, we can expect to have some trouble under our Tenkan weekly, and most probably we are going to test it. So testing it means we are testing to see if we accept this resistance as a price resistance, or we reject it, we break inside it and keep going above. All right, entering the cloud. The cloud is quite large, so it's still possible we get in. And if we get in, we got freeway up to the Tenkan daily here. So it's interesting. We have to watch out here. It's probably going to go back during the day to test it couple times. We need at least 2 or 3 times. So we'll see what happens. It's on this Tenkan weekly, right? So Tenkan weekly or daily, sorry, my bad. Pop, none of them. So we have to trace it, you see. Up SSB here, trace it, and see now on your lower time frame, 4 hours time frame or 1 hour. Once it gets around this area, we want to very be careful and see if it's going to test it or to reject it and keep going into a downtrend. If it keeps going into a downtrend, we have now a resistance, clear resistance here, okay, because of the lagging that turns. We got another one here, around here, also because of the lagging. It's a bit under the leg of our candle, so you better use this lagging as a reference, better than here, because it might never go back down to here before we get any reversal, any run going on. So as per the pullback now, seems like we're going back into a run here so far on a 4 hours time frame, but this previous one was a doji candle though. So yeah, watch out, see if it's going to break above the Tenkan 4 hours, then start to test this resistance and go above. If it goes above, then you have easy way to take money into a long position up to the Tenkan weeklies and the Kijun weekly, Kijun 4 hours, my bad, and then all the way up here into our Kijun 4 hours as well, and then maybe all the way up, etc, etc. So you look at those elements to find some resistance, so you know exactly where are your TP 123 or SL 123. All right, guys, please leave a comment if you want me to cover up this token again. I never did this one before, so maybe it's interesting, maybe not. Just let me know, and I wish you a nice day. You guys take care. Bye bye.